if you find yourself with a camera in your hand and you want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment down below what you would like to learn more about. Hi Photos subscribers. Today's challenge not just today, for this week, the challenge is white background. Whatever you want to image, I want you to do your best to shoot it in any of your lighting methods, whether that's outdoor ambient light or indoor studio lighting or even indoor ambient light, but it's going to be difficult to do with very clear white balancing technique. But white background, this idea has come from the industry of stock imaging, but whatever you want to image, if you're going to set up, say, a child's toy or other things on something so that it blends into your white background, it also needs to be white. So it's going to be the effect or the look of a white sweep, but you can take a look at different images online and see what white backgrounds look like. A lot of stock images will have a white background simply because it's a simple, clean background that doesn't draw the attention from the subject of the photograph. Interestingly enough, a lot of the stock photographs that you're going to find are that very way. Whether they're white background or not, the subject of the image is very clear and clean. It's understood. There's nothing else to distract from it. A lot of times the focus is drawn to the subject because of the aperture and the focus being so sharp. But again, there are several things that are used to draw the viewer's attention to something of specific import. And so it's not going to just be a white background. It's not just going to be focus. It's going to be several things added together. So this week's challenge is white background. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, we would love your subscription. And let us down below know in a comment what you think of this challenge and how it's helped you grow and learn more as a photographer. Thank you so much. God bless.